Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a hero without superpowers in the vibrant world of DC Comics, where extraordinary abilities reign supreme? One character stands out, Black Canary. Before diving into her story, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Uh, Black Canary, also known as Dinah Lance, has long been a formidable presence among DC's heroes. While many characters boast incredible powers, Dinah relies on her exceptional martial arts skills and unwavering determination. Her journey began with her mother, Dinah Drake, the original Black Canary, who paved the way for her daughter's legacy for over 8 decades. Dinah Drake fought crime with sheer grit and expertise. Uh, Unlike Batman, who has access to advanced technology, Drake depended solely on her uh, training and police knowledge. This unique perspective allowed her to shine as a member of the Justice Society of America, proving that heroism comes in many forms. Following in her mother's footsteps, Dinah Lance has taken the mantle of Black Canary to new heights. She not only mastered her mother's combat techniques, but also developed a mental fortitude that sets her apart. Her experiences as a hero have shaped her into a more skeptical and practical fighter, ready to face any challenge despite their impressive skills. Both Dinah Drake and Dinah Lance have often been overlooked in the superhero hierarchy. While Drake was a competent hero, she frequently played a supporting role. Similarly, Lance's incredible fighting abilities are often overshadowed by her signature power, the Canary Cry. In the series Black Canary Best of the Best, creators Tom King and Ryan Sook highlight Dinah's prowess in combat, and she faces off against Lady Shiva, one of the deadliest fighters in the DC universe. Although she ultimately yields due to a prior arrangement. Her ability to hold her own against such a formidable opponent speaks volumes about her skills. The series showcases that true strength lies not just in physical power, but also in mental resilience and strategy. Bina's ability to withstand Shiva's relentless attacks and outlast her demonstrates her exceptional mindset. She proves that she is not only a match for Shiva physically, but also mentally. Moreover, the narrative emphasizes the importance of non-superpowered heroes like Black Canary. It argues that characters who rely on their skills can stand toe-to-toe with those who possess supernatural abilities. Uh, Dinah embodies the spirit of bravery, perseverance, and loyalty, proving that these qualities can be just as powerful. As fans, we can appreciate that stories about heroes without superpowers can be just as captivating as those involving cosmic threats. They focus on personal struggles and the relentless pursuit of excellence, reminding us that heroism is not solely defined by extraordinary abilities. So, why did Black Canary bring a ladder to the fight? Because she heard the stakes were high. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,